As Thanksgiving approaches, it's easy to get caught up in the holiday rush. But this time of year is actually a beautiful reminder to pause, reflect, and focus on what you are grateful for. Hi, I'm Devon Harris, three-time Olympian, founding member of the Jamaican bobsled team, and international motivational speaker. Today, I would like to share a quick message about the power of gratitude and how it can enrich your life this Thanksgiving and beyond. You see, gratitude isn't just about listing the good things in our lives. It's about truly appreciating them. And when we take time to reflect on what we're thankful for, it actually shifts our mindset. We begin to see our lives through a lens of abundance rather than scarcity. And that change can have an amazing impact on how we feel, think, and even interact with others. This Thanksgiving, I encourage you to take a moment to think about the people, the experiences, and even the challenges that have helped you grow this year. You know, sometimes it's the tough times, man, the tough moments that make us more resilient, more compassionate, and remind us to appreciate the everyday blessings that we might otherwise overlook. Now, gratitude doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as sharing what you're thankful for at the dinner table, or writing down 3 things that you appreciate each day. The bottom line is, when we express thanks, we not only feel happier, but we make others feel valued and seen. This Thanksgiving, consider reaching out to someone who has impacted your life. Maybe it's a friend, a mentor, or a family member. A simple thank you can mean the world to them and remind us of the incredible support we have in our lives. So again, this Thanksgiving, let's go beyond just listing what we're grateful for. Let's truly feel it, let's share it, and let it guide how we approach each day. Gratitude is indeed a gift we can give to ourselves and to others, and it's one that grows every single time we practice it. Thank you for listening. I hope your Thanksgiving is filled with warmth and love and a deep sense of gratitude that lasts far beyond the holiday. Happy Thanksgiving.